What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm actually at Walmart right now. I'm in the car with my friend Yvonne.
Just a friend now.
My best friend Yvonne. She got a little hurt there. You see that? I'm dead. Yeah, so we're here and we're literally gonna be doing some fun activities. We're just gonna be doing, you know, some arts and crafts. We're gonna be tie-dyeing some stuff. So we're here and we're gonna get the supplies and literally go home and tie-dye some shit. So let's go ahead and go into Walmart.
Okay.
Let's go. Shake that ass, girl. Shake that ass, girl. All right, guys, so we're literally checking the guys section right now to see if they have some hoodies, some sweatpants, just in white, so we could do, like, you know, some cool ties. So we found the tie-dye. We still don't have anything to tie-dye though. Alrighty, guys, we're back in the car because we didn't find anything at this Walmart, literally, and we're about to head to this Ross right here. It's literally right next to the Walmart, and we're trying to see if they have the clothes, and then we might come back to Walmart and get the dye. But we're struggling here, guys. We want to do an arts and crafts, but it is 10 p.m. at night and everything's closed. We're terrible at planning these things, guys. We literally want to do shit like late at night. So yeah, you know, let's go to Ross. El pinche Ross.
Dress for less.
Ooh, you think if I tie-dye this, that it would look cool? You think if I tie-dye that, it would look cool?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Low-key, huh?
Distress it too.
I could distress it a little bit.
That would be cute.
Dang, I found sweatpants, guys.
No, yes,
Bonita. Mood. Should I?
Honestly, low-key.
Low-key,
like
huh?
You can do your wide a little bit.
Alright.
Crop out.
We'll be a DIY bitch. We'll be a DIY bitch. Look, it's actually tied. We found it. It's tie-dyed. You good? Is you good? Damn, they're already like tie-dyed. I'm over here trying to do it. It's already a thing. We're about to tie-dye. We're about to tie-dye some shit. So, I don't know if I showed you guys. Yeah, I think I showed you guys at the store. Literally, what I got some white sweatpants, and I got this shirt to tie-dye. I think it would be cool with like some cool colors, you know. Yvonne got a sweater over there, and my brother's right next to me, but he doesn't want to be on camera. But he got a gray shirt or whatever.
Yeah. I feel like I'm being a bitch.
Do you want to be on camera? Is that cool?
I mean, maybe a second.
All right, this is what he's tie-dyeing. All right, let's get it popping. We're about to get into this. So I'm gonna start twisting, and then we're gonna make a little twisting effect with the shirt. And just like kind of boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take this down, Loki. And then we're just gonna kind of like make it into a little ball. You see that? Now, some rubber bands. Got this. We're gonna put it like this. And we're gonna roll it up. Literally just add rubber bands. You could do this, you could do freestyling like me. You could be a rebel. Do whatever you please. We don't follow the rules around here. Yeah! All right, now we're gonna do the sweatpants. Okay, these are the sweats, guys. Just some white sweats. Put on a bag of t-shirts so you don't get your clothes all messed up. How are we gonna do this? Should I do a roll each leg? I think that sounds pretty creative. Pretty outside the box if you ask me. And we're gonna do this.
It hurts too much.
Right there. Boom. And we're gonna see how this turns out, guys, literally. Alright.
I got you.
Wait.
I know you're injured.
I'm gonna flip it or whatever.
Just a little bit. Okay. That looks about right. Alright.
You're a professional.
I know.
You're a pro.
That's my calling. Alright. I'm just gonna do another little. Can you stop? Mood. Wait. Alright. I think mine is ready, guys.
Already?
Already.
That was quick. Haven't even
It's
started.
ready. It's ready to try that.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Okay. Right. You can do whatever your heart desires.
Because I'm very unsure of how to do this. I'm not
Go ahead,
gonna
fold, crumple, twist. Wait, you left Romeo outside? Oh my god. My rooms, I'm sorry.
So we're folding, we're crumpling, we're doing a lot of different things here.
No, Alex locked him outside. Oh, did you not? Okay.
I don't know. Somehow he got up there. Alright, so that's looking promising, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll do something else in this corner here. We'll just crumple. Fuck it.
We're just crumpling?
Yeah, we'll crumple. And then we'll twist. And then we'll crumple some more.
This is gonna come out so shitty.
I can't do this.
Oh god.
She's crumpled.
Don't give up.
She's done.
No quitters here.
We're quitting today.
This is midnight tie-dye hour.
For real. This is midnight activities. That's us.
I actually didn't think I'm gonna use record.
Okay. Is that gonna look good?
We'll find out. You can make like, yeah, you're gonna have to twist those little pieces or else they're gonna be hella tie-dyed. But I mean, if that's the vibe you're going for, fuck
The
it.
vibe I want. Let's
Go
see.
ahead.
We'll twist it. And we'll fold down.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Alright, that's lit.
I
We'll do the
think
same thing with this.
that's very creative. I should really.
This is a very delicacy sort of situation.
Here's my 10.
Maybe I should do that one of the legs on the pants, huh? Twist it. That sounds like a little twist that you're doing right there. That sounds like a good idea.
I'm a crackhead.
She's addicted to TikToks.
She's an e-girl.
She's an eager.
That's right. I think we made it. I think we did it, fam.
We got it done. We got her
This
done.
little right here, I'll give it a little
Mine comes
twist.
out like so thick and I don't know what to do.
You could do like the sleeves separately and like do some other stuff with it.
What to do?
Oh,
This is a
she's
little
going by the book. She's going by the book.
How am I supposed to put red bands on this? I can't.
You can. You have to just put it on top, like around it. Here, hold the camera. I'm just gonna have to just tuck it in. There you go.
I guess I didn't realize how much I really needed my left hand.
Literally, she's crumpled, guys. Crumpled.
She's crumpled.
Crumpled.
Crumpled. There you go. We got some. All right, who's going first? Are you gonna go first? If you want.
But you're on diet with black, so it's okay.
Te pasaste. It's okay.
Alright, so we just go for it.
You just go for it.
Alright, here we go.
I'm gonna do purple then. Oh wait. Oh.
Back.
Yeah, I mean at this point, yeah. You're doing it already. Try to like do it closer to the fabric though, so it like doesn't splash everywhere.
Or just like.
Like you could put it like actually super close to the fabric. Yeah, like if you wanted to.
Oh,
like
okay. You don't want to explain this to me. I just kind of went for it.
that. Yeah, I
Dude,
did.
mine doesn't. Do you see that?
What?
Watch. Do you see
You
that?
just have to-
Dude, does yours do that too? Oh yeah, okay.
Just kind of like sits
Oh
there.
no. Oh no.
I got some on my mouth. Why do I look so like?
Okay. We're good. It didn't stain my lip. I was so scared. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna walk around with a blue lip. We're good. We're Gucci. We're thriving. We're back. We're about to go in. Damn, I'm kind of like contemplating now. Should I use that blue?
This dye thing isn't working for me, man.
Oh no.
I think it's the fabric.
Alright, fuck it. We're just gonna go in. It low-key isn't working for me either. Oh no.
Is yours going on smoothly?
Oh, I guess we just have to spread it out with our finger. Yeah, yours is low-key looking in. It's thriving.
Yeah, it is thriving.
We aren't professional tie-dyers, guys. Don't judge us.
I feel like this color wave is pretty lit.
That is a pretty cool color. I like it. I have to kind of rub it in, like it's weird. Why?
I'm over here one time.
For real, you can go ham on this one too. Go ahead, do your thing.
Oh, sorry. I'm just going in.
He just went in. He said, let me take over. It's taking a little too long.
Give me my purple. I'm using my purple.
I'm like stomping it into the color to get it in there.
I don't like these tie-dyes. I don't like how it's not liquid.
I don't know.
She said C. Give me.
Thanks. I'm just rubbing it in at this point. Awesome. I feel like this will come out cool. It's like all random as fuck, so it should be cool. This blue? This navy? Yeah, I think so.
This blue? You said, let me see.
I'm just like to get into it. It is what it is. We're doing night crafts. We love
Maybe
it.
like a thing on your channel. Night crafts. What's that?
I know, for real. Do crafty shit. We only do crafty shit on my channel.
We fucking craft.
We love crafts. It's done. What's done, it's done. All right. Do we need to saturate it like completely? Or like, is it good like that?
You can saturate. Go for it.
Go for it, girl.
Kill it. Saturate that shit.
It's done. It's gone. I think we're Gucci. Are you Gucci? Are you content with today's activity? So, what does the instruction say? It says, apply dye to wrap it in plastic. Okay, so we have to wrap it in plastic. Let me get.
I think we're ready for the reveal tomorrow. And we'll see how they come out. So 6 to 8 hours. I'll see you guys soon.
Guys, so literally I just took them out of the bag. So this is how the shirt came out. It looks cool, I wish I would have had a little more tie-dye, but it's fine. We're not pros out here. We were just learning, but they look cool. It looks cool. Can't complain. And then we have the sweatpants, which the bottom pieces look kind of cooler than like the top. The top looks kind of like a blob, just like a little blob. See, we're gonna wash them and see exactly how they come out. And now we're gonna go reveal the other two. So let's do that. Alrighty, so this is how Yvonne's came out. We're gonna have to wash these and see how they look, but. And this is my brother's. I just came out kind of like swirly but crinkly at the same time. He did a little mixture. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw all of these into the wash and see what's good.
Alrighty guys, so let me go ahead and show you how we failed, because we failed halfway. Like some of them worked and some of them didn't, but my sweatpants and Yvonne's sweater did not work. And I honestly think it was literally just the fabric. So the fabric didn't take the tie-dye, and when I washed it, it literally just washed out. So let me go ahead and show you guys.
So these are the sweats. Literally, as you can see, it kind of tie-dyed on it, but like obviously you can't really tell. So it just looks stained because it's white. And then this was Yvonne's sweater. So literally Yvonne's sweater did not take any of the tie-dye at all. And that's honestly because it's just like super soft kind of material. But the only one that did take, well, my brothers did, but the t-shirts are the only ones that did take. So this one came out pretty decent.
I wish it would have been a little more tie-dye, but I mean, at least it came out, you know, so we can't. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So now you guys know some tips and tricks on how not to tie-dye, I guess, because we literally failed. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Peace out, Girl Scout.